Welcome, friends. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's another open house video of a designer home here in the village of Calumet Grove. This is located in the northern part of the Villages. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Bougainvillea model home. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome, friends. Thank you for joining today's open house tour. Today I'm in the village of Calumet Grove. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Bougainvillea model designer home. It is a wood-framed home. It's in a very nice neighborhood here in Calumet Grove in the Villages, Florida. It does have a painted driveway, very unique design, very neutral colors. It has very mature landscaping. The roof does look like it's in very good condition. As always, please contact the listing agent, Karla, if you have any questions about this home. It does have a 2-car garage. And it has a very nice front yard. Again, this is in the northern part of the Villages. The setbacks on these homes are a little bit further than in other parts of the Villages. It does have a screened-in front porch area. That's nice. It does keep the insects away from your home. Very nice. And the painted concrete continues in this front porch area. It's a nice large area. Very nice. And here we are entering the house. Hello, good morning. How are you, Karla?
I'm good. How are you today?
I'm very good. Thanks for asking.
Here's an information sheet for you.
Thank you.
So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath Bougainvillea. It's a designer home. Got a new roof in 2020. And you've got a Florida room on the back, a bird cage on the back. This is a great location, super quiet neighborhood, close to the new responder, or the first responders rec center, the newer, and which is really great, especially if you've got grandkids that come to visit. Just had a family come in, a big family. I don't know if you saw them. They came in right before
Yes, I did. Yes, I
And
did.
they had a bunch of kids, and that's where they were headed.
Okay, very good. I'll take a walk through the house. I'll describe what I see. I do appreciate it, Karla. As always, if anybody has questions, they can contact you.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Here I'm standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I see are these beautiful, is this wood laminate floor?
It's laminate, yes.
Wood laminate floors. Panning off into the kitchen area, I do see what appears to be oak cabinets in the kitchen. And the beauty of this home is the temperature controlled lanai. Very nice. I'll take a closer look at that a little bit later. I will video the specification sheet so everybody can take a look at the specification sheet. The kitchen does have those wood laminate floors continuing. It does have laminate countertops, double bowl stainless sink as well. Very nice. It does have a gas stove, natural gas stove. This house shows very well. It's very neutrally decorated as well. Next, I will walk off into the master bedroom area. This home does have a split bedroom design, and that is very popular here in the Villages, where you have the guests staying on one side of the building of the home, and the master bedroom is on the other side. You do have wood laminate floors continuing in this master bedroom. The master bedroom does have a master bathroom and a walk-in closet. Very nice. Like I said, this home is listed at $319,000. It is located in the village of Calumet Grove. It's a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home. Let's walk into the master closet, the walk-in closet. Very nice size closet, laminate floors. It does have storage, adequate storage. In the master bathroom, you have ceramic tile floors. You have a shower. I will take a closer look at that. You have one sink. You do have the oak cabinets in the master bathroom. You do have a window above the commode, very nice. The shower does appear to be a 48-inch shower. I believe that is either fiberglass or plastic surround. It does have a glass sliding door. Very nice, very large shower. As I continue to walk out into the master bedroom area, we'll take a walk and look at the guest quarters. On the opposite side of the home, this is panning, that would be the dining area. Very bright home, very light and bright. This is the guest area. It does have a sliding pocket door, so your guests can have privacy. You will find 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on this side of the home. Let's go into this bedroom. It does have carpeting. Does have the acoustic texture ceiling in this bedroom as well. Again, the neutral paint continues in this bedroom. Does have 6-panel sliding doors in the closet. I know some of my subscribers want me to open closet doors so you can see what it looks like in the closet. That is what it looks like in the closet. So let's go take a look at the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom has one sink, very neutrally decorated. It does have ceramic tile floor. It has a tub. Looks like it is fiberglass or plastic surround in that tub as well. You can see the oak cabinets continue in here. This is the bedroom that's located in front of the home. It is another guest bedroom. It does have carpeting. It's light and bright in this room as well. Large windows. This guest bedroom does have sliding doors as well. Let's take a walk back and look at that temperature controlled lanai. This is a very nice feature to have here in the Villages, Florida. Temperature control lanais are always welcome and it adds extra living space. The laminate floors continue in this lanai as well. And there you have your HVAC duct in this lanai. It is temperature controlled. Large windows out the back of the home. That door will lead out into a bird cage. That area you can entertain guests out there as well, maybe have a barbecue as well. Beautiful glass in the door. Here's the bird cage and the outdoor patio area. It does have painted concrete floor. Nice bird cage. Beautifully decorated. This is the backyard. Very private, has very large trees and bushes. I'll take a walk outside. This is the back of the home. This would be facing east. That's the side of the home, so the front of the home would be facing west. Let's go back in and take a look at the garage area. That is the home. Very nice, very neutral. It is a wood framed home with vinyl siding. Let's take a walk and take a look at the garage. See what that looks like. Yep. Okay, to get into the garage, you would go into the laundry room. It does have tile floors in the laundry room. It is temperature controlled in this laundry room. The mechanicals. Let's take a walk out into the 2-car garage. Thank you for joining. We did find a light switch for the garage. It does have concrete floors. It is a two-car garage. It does have a water softener system here in this home. That would be the hot water heater in that corner. Very adequate sized garage, two-car garage. Has some built-in cabinets on that side. Very nice. Next, I will exit the home. I'll walk out to the street. I'll pan the street. I'll give you the directions of the street and which directions this home faces. I know some of my subscribers are asking about that. But first, I will stop and video the specification sheet. I know a lot of people are interested in that. So if you want more information, please contact Karla Mason at Realty Executives here in the Villages. This home is located at 16875 Southeast 77th Northridge Court in the Villages. It is list priced at $319,000. It is 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. You can stop the video or pause the video if you want to read the specification sheet. It is located in the Village of Calumet Grove. There are your room sizes and room dimensions. The HOA amenity fee is $195 a month. All right, next I will walk out into the street. I will pan the street. I will show you what direction this house faces. Back out into the front porch area, which is screened in. Very nice mature landscaping. Very nice home, very well kept. This is the street. Let's take a look and pan the street. This is panning north. That is the home right there. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood framed home. And that would be panning south. Thank you for joining, everyone. I do appreciate it. Please subscribe and like my videos. Have a great day and take care, everyone. Thank you for joining this home tour located here in the Village of Calumet Grove in the Villages, Florida. It's a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home. Thanks for joining. Please subscribe and like my video. Take care, everybody. Have a great weekend.